Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my newest listing in the PASEOS in the heart of Summerlin, 12049 Cielo Amber Lane. It's a 5-bedroom home, 2,700 square feet. And if you don't have time to watch the whole video, just want to give you some highlights. It's got nice high ceilings, beautiful backyard with brand new turf, built-in barbecue, fire pit. It's also got a 5th bedroom downstairs with its own exit out to the backyard. Not to mention the home is only 5 minutes away from downtown Summerlin and 10 minutes away from Red Rock Canyon. So if you have any questions about this property or know anybody looking to move in this area of town, let me know. Have a great day.